What's good, YouTube, man? We are here with another sneaker. I'm sorry, not a sneaker review. We are at the mall, man, right now, man. I'm about to do a quick little mall vlog for y'all, man. I want to check out these Air Max 270s. I believe that's what they're called. Yeah, I just want to see how they feel on feet, man. That's all. We're out here in Raleigh Triangle Mall, if you can see that. Yeah, we're at Raleigh Triangle Mall. This mall's Foot Locker really doesn't have a lot, man, but they do have the 270s, and they're a little closer to my house than the normal mall that I go to. So yeah, man, I want to see how them things feel on foot, man. Let's do it.
On God, dedication, 6 on God, dedication, 6 on God. Yeah.
DJ Drama.
25 million on a nice big old mansion. And bitch, I still haven't invited your family. When you walk in, you see the art and gold Grammys. I'ma just kill that pussy, now it's just a closed casket. 25 million on a mansion, so precious. Bitch, be careful where you bringing your besties. Satin sheets, I ain't got time for no messes. The exorcist told me my wife is possessive.
Yeah, look at this drone right here. You see this man playing with these drones, man? These guys, they get all this money. They sell these drones right here in the mall. If you can see, you know what I mean, it flies real smooth. It flies real smooth in the mall. You know, there's no air circulating in here like wind. So once you get those things outside, bro, they're trash. So if anybody likes drones, do not get the ones from in the middle of the mall, because they will definitely be trash as soon as they get outside, and that wind will just take them away. So anywho, we are here pulling up the Foot Locker right now, and let's go check out these kicks, man. See what they feel like on feet. We got a Jordan Wall, same junk, man, same old, same old. I have no idea what these are. Whatever. No one gets Jordan mids. They got 2 pair of those Gatorades in here. I think I need these, man, just to finish up the collection. Yeah, definitely. I slept on these Olive 13s, man. Didn't do it. Didn't want the Olive 13s. Do not sleep on Puma, y'all. Puma got some heat, man. These is fire. I like this colorway. I think I showed these on the vlog before. But don't sleep on Puma at all, y'all. This is dope, and they mad comfortable too. I think you gotta go up a whole size. Hey, shout out to Mike Rich, yo, yerps. Yeah, it's the Adidas section over here. Same old stuff, man. Adidas is falling off hard right now, man. Although I do like this colorway. Yeah, I do like this colorway. These are straight. There's one of the new ones right here. Yeah. I don't know, man. I think I got 2 pair of NMDs, and that's these ones I got on. And then I got the Champs exclusive chalk and olive ones. So man, so these was fresh, man. I do like the way they fit. They are true to size, and just a dope sneaker overall, man. This colorway ain't bad neither, man. This may be a cop, definitely, man, but y'all know I get mine from the plug, so it is what it is, man. But let's go see what else is in the mall. Another box that came to the house today. This is from Nike brand. Yeah, I see when Nike puts that that's how they put their tape. Y'all know, you already know, I ain't gonna show the address or whatever, but we got another sneaker coming in. I don't know which one this is. Try to unbox this thing with the knife. I'm not gonna use these hands, like Mike Rich be saying. Shout out to Mike Rich, by the way, man. He was a good guy, man. I met him out there in Atlanta or whatever at the Sneaker Con. Good dude, man. He put me on his vlog and everything, man. He hung out with me. Good guy, man. I was kind of mad at him at first, man, when I first got there to SneakerCon in Atlanta. And oh, okay, that's what this is. This is a grade school sneaker, y'all. For little people feet. And I got out there. Whoa, uh-oh. We got the Jordan 1 box. I'm sorry. We have the Jumpman box. Man, all grade school sneakers come in this little ass box. Anywho, back to the Mike Rich story. When I got there, I was like, hey, Mike, man, how you doing? He's like, what's up? I said, can I get a picture real quick? He was like, nah, man, not right now. I got to go get back to the booth. I was like, oh, damn. So, yo, it was crazy, man. But I went over to his booth and I bought one of his t-shirts and, you know, some of his merch. I thought it was dope. You know, he was cool. He got a picture with me or whatever. I don't know. He just seemed real short with me at first. And then later on, you'll see in his vlog, they was playing basketball and everything. And he came and chilled with me. Him and Jay, man. That was pretty cool, man. Shout out to Mike Rich, man. Anywho, man, let's see what these shoes are in here. Regular grade school box. Y'all always get just the gold Jumpman on. I bet I got a sticker in here, too. Uh-oh. Wow. A brand new black cement Jordan 3. Look at that. Grade school thing. Grade school action. So for all you grade school heads out there, you know what I mean, who want to know what the sneaker look like. I mean, it's sitting in stores. I don't know if all the sizes are sitting in stores, but I keep seeing them. Yep. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Whoa, hold up. Got the adult size right here. Men's size 12. Nike Air on the butt. Nike on the bottom. But wait a minute. Nike Air on the butt. He did Jordan on the bottom. Ooh. Yeah, man. But anywho, this is a Jordan 3. Black cement. Same thing, man. No different. I don't see any difference. Ooh, I don't like that, man. You see it got the two holes right here. Then on the adult, we got 3. I don't know. They be skipping out on the grade school sneakers, man. They really do. That's crazy. Yep. As long as that Nike Air on the ass, I guess that's all that counts. Whatever, man. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe, man. And comment, man, if y'all want to see these things on feet, bro. I got some small feet in the house. See if y'all want to see these things on foot, man. But without further ado, man, I got something else I was doing for y'all today, man. Let me jump into a different video.